Yes, very good morning to my dear students. Today I will discuss about the model 4, that is I will give the brief introduction about network analysis. Okay, so this is also very important for the examination point of view. They may ask you direct question from this model also. Okay, so what do you mean by network analysis? Just to think about network and analysis. Network means connecting the people. So in this we are solving the step by step procedure. They have some rules and regulation for solving the network analysis problem. Okay, what do you mean by network analysis from the definition point of view? It is a graphical presentation or an arrow diagram presented on the management in respect of a project. So this is called as a network. Okay, so which consists of all the details regarding the consumptions of a time and cost, and not only for the each activity but also for the whole project. If you take, this means for example, if you take any job, so that job contains having before starting any job, the management or the people will hire people will give the cost and time within a stimulated period. Out within a stimulated time you have to finish this job with a minimum cost. Okay, that's the meaning of the second line. Okay, so that the management can manipulate the resources and cost can be controlled in more effective manner. So before doing any jobs, the management will assign a job. So we need within these days or within this month. Okay, now along with they will fix the time also. Okay, I will repeat the network analysis definition. It is a graphical representation or presentation, or it is a indication of arrow diagram presented through a management in respect to a column. So from the direction of arrow mark, we have to solve the network analysis problem. Okay, that network consists of an activity or time, cost, or any work. Okay, next is what are the steps involved for solving the network analysis problems. There are only two steps to solve this project of a problem. That is, first we have to identify the jobs, which jobs they given along with their event and activities. Okay, the job belongs to which event and which activity, what they given in sequence order. Okay, that second step is to arrange the jobs in a logical sequence. Okay, we have to arrange each event such that it is should be logical sequence. Okay, so what are the main objective of this network analysis network analysis part? Okay, so network analysis, it is a successful technique frequently used to plan or monitor or control the project involving the thousand of activities. So it is a pre-planned or it is a planned work so that we can finish a job within a stimulated period. Okay, what are the objective to finish a given job is to first objective is to minimize the given project cost. So this is, we have to reduce the given cost. Okay, so second is to minimize the project time. We have to reduce the cost, we have to reduce the time, and third one is to ensure the optimization utilization of a human and other resources. Along with that, we have to take care about the workers involved in that particular job. Okay, to ensure the minimum conflict and the unnecessary delays. So we should avoid the delays for completing the job. That is also main objective for this network analysis concept. Okay, so to solve any network analysis problem, we have some definition related to network analysis. Okay, before solving the problem, we should understand the each and every term which will become while solving the problem. First term is activity. What do you mean by activity? Okay, it is an activity refers to a physical identification part of a project which consumes a time and cost. Okay, that is about the activity meaning. So it is a represented by an arrow. The activity may have the predecessor activity or a successor activity. Okay, now this means that we are locating or we are indicating the activity as a narrow line we shown already here. Okay, now so that circle indicate the activity, that a indicate the what is the time given for that particular time we have to indicate there. Okay, this is about an activity. So how to represent an activity in a given problem? Okay, so here the first is to the activity should be represented by an arrow connected between the two nodes. So already we discussed about the last slide. So activity is a point we can discuss, we can look at by with the help of circle. So I shown here last diagram. Okay, so second activity is second meaning is all the activity should be in a forward direction. It may be upward or downward direction, but it can be never be in a reverse direction. So always activity should be shown in a forward direction only, it cannot come back. Okay, see the symbol here, activity 1 to 2 direction is given in the forward, it cannot become downward, it may be either up or down. That is the meaning of second term. So activity should be either represented by numbers or alphabet. Activity can be represented by 1 2 3 4 or ABCD. Okay, now some book they are indicating 1 2 3 book. If you take architect book means they are indicating all the assignment problem 1 2 3 4 5. If you take any other book means they may indicate in a b c d. Okay, so fourth is alphabet or numbers should not be ascending order. So all what you are ascending 1 2 3 should be in ascending order, not for descending order. Okay, keeping that one, this is fourth point is very very important. Okay, so this is about the representation of an activity in a problem. Okay, next is what you mean by event. Activity is over, next what you mean by event. So an event represents the start and the end point of an activity. It is normally represented by a circle called as nodes. So event meaning it will show or it will tell or it will indicate the starting point and ending point, okay na, of a particular job. That is about an event. Okay, next, dummy activity. If you want to solve any job, so a number of workers required more. Some critical stage. Okay, so for that we are using a dummy activity. Means a dummy activity or dummy column we are adding just without time, and this is an without time we are showing. So it means an activity which does not consume any time and productivity, time and cost. It should be represented by a dotted line, but not by any alphabet. It should be introduced to maintain a preceding and succeeding the relation. Okay, so dummy activity just supporting, but it will not consume any time and cost. Okay, just for supporting the to complete the job. So that is the main use of this dummy activity. Okay, so what are the advantage of this network analysis technique? Okay, the main advantage is the management is planning and schedule and controlling the activities of a project. So that is a, so by using this technique the management people or the higher people will get a job within a stimulated period. Okay, and it will help the asserting the time schedule, and also it will work the time to time. Okay, it will not delay any work. So it will help the guiding and directing the team effort more effectively. So it means the team leader will give the direction with time to time. He will not delay. Okay, and encouraging the discipline along with job you have to maintain a discipline also. Okay, so aids in handling the uncertainties are regarding the time schedules, coordination of various activity and controlling the cost involved. So finally is to reduce the cost to complete the job of various activities. Okay, so this is about the brief introduction about network analysis. If you solve one problem means you will understand better than this slide. Okay, so what do you mean by activity, what do you mean by event, what do you mean by node? Okay, I hope you understand this network analysis concept. Okay, thank you very much.